Hello IG Garage family, is your OBD-II scanner showing the code P0491 secondary air injection system insufficient flow, bank 1? Don't panic. This code can affect your car's emissions and performance, but the good news is we're here to make it simple. Stay with us as we break down what this code means, show you exactly where the key components are located, and share the steps to fix it. And stick around until the end for 2 must-watch videos to keep your car in top shape. What does P0491 mean? The P0491 code indicates that the secondary air injection system is not delivering the proper amount of airflow to the exhaust for bank 1, which is the side of the engine with cylinder 1. This system helps reduce emissions by injecting fresh air into the exhaust stream during startup. Symptoms of P0491: check engine light illuminated, failed emissions test, reduced engine performance during cold starts, noticeable exhaust smell. Common causes of P0491: faulty secondary air injection pump, malfunctioning air bypass valve or check valve, blockage in the air injection system hoses, damaged or corroded wiring in the system, sensor location. The main components of the secondary air injection system include secondary air pump, usually located near the front or side of the engine bay, close to the radiator or below the intake manifold. Air bypass valve or check valve, typically mounted on or near the exhaust manifold. This valve ensures air only flows in one direction. Hoses and connections. Inspect the vacuum and air hoses running between the pump, valve, and intake system. Refer to your car's service manual for the exact locations, as they vary by make and model. Properly identifying these components is key to fixing the P0491 code. Inspect the secondary air pump. Check for any signs of damage or clogging. Listen for unusual noises during cold starts which could indicate pump failure. Examine the check valve. Ensure the valve isn't stuck open or closed, and clean it if necessary. Check for blockages. Look for debris or carbon buildup in the air hoses or the exhaust manifold connection. Test electrical connections. Use a multimeter to test the wiring and connectors for continuity and proper voltage. Scan and reset. Once repairs are complete, clear the code with your OBD-II scanner and test drive to confirm the fix. And there you have it. That's how you tackle the P0491 secondary air injection system insufficient flow, bank 1 error. With this guide and the sensor locations, you're all set to fix this issue and get back on the road. For more solutions, check out these videos: P0460 fuel level sensor circuit malfunction, P0020 intake, camshaft position, actuator circuit, bank 2. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert advice from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.